Comic strip, a sequence of graphic with a small amount of text in each box is known as a comic strip. The text is commonly put in bubbles or clouds over the characters who are talking. Comic strips can be seen in newspapers and magazines commons. Today we are going to learn how to make a comic strip. Step 1. Write down the idea of your story. The process of creating a comic strip starts with a main storyline. Step 2. Divide the story into the number of boxes you want in your comic strip. As you know that a comic strip is divided into scenes, each scene has a different box in which the characters are drawn and the text is written. Step 3. Draw the characters of your story. The characters in a comic strip are generally drawn in the form of cartoons. Make sure that you make simple cartoons which can be easily recreated in different boxes. Step 4. Add the text in the boxes to narrate your story. Text is added in a bubble or cloud over the character delivering a dialogue. Text may be added at the top of a box to explain the scene. Step 5. Color your comic strip. This is an optional step if you want to add color to your comic strip to make it extra vibrant and appealing. One of the most famous comic books in the world is the Archie comic series. It was started in the year 1939.